be reviewing this article. It talks about crypto jobs, how to get a job in the blockchain industry. Article by Andrei Segingov, live on Coinmarketcap blog Alexandria blockchain. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We try as much as possible to give you beneficial uploads and updates. So you want to stay tuned to our YouTube channel, get notified whenever we drop awesome content, buy keys, and let's end on straight. So table of contents, immerse yourself and learn everything you can. Determine the job niche you want to explore. How much do crypto jobs pay? So you want to immerse yourself and learn everything you can. So anyone who wants to land a job in crypto and blockchain industry, we need a good understanding of what this industry entails. You need to research, immersion, and learning play an essential role in the bad process. There are many things one can learn over time: trading digital assets, experimenting with different platforms and technologies, actively reading up on news announcements and developments, so learning the crypto lingo to make sense of these new terms. So the networking aspect of being part of the crypto and blockchain industry will help you meet new people, find out about new job opportunities, and advance your career. Attending meetups, conferences, and conventions is an excellent way to expand your network and connect directly with senior executives and industry veterans. So most events, big or small, can be found on Eventbrite, Blog Social, and Meetup. You want to determine the job niche to explore. So identifying the niche you want to work in is the most crucial aspect of landing a job in the crypto and blockchain industry. So every job opening or title has different requirements, the qualifications and expectations. Exploring the different sectors is usually a good starting place. So although they will still allow you to branch off into a more specialized field if necessary. So you usually do have the most popular jobs as blockchain developer. These are blockchain developer. We have journalism, freelancing, writing. We have crypto mining for those who prefer hands-on action in the crypto world. We also have venture capital. These are some of the major jobs that are made available. There are also many other opportunities to explore in cryptocurrency blockchain landscape. So you want to check them out. Said or how much do these crypto jobs pay? One crucial aspect to figure out is how much money you can make. So while many people know the price of BTC and Ethereum, that doesn't automatically translate to high-paying jobs. Additionally, it depends on what type of job you want. So whether you have experience in that field and who is hiring you. It's no different from working in other areas, although there will be some differences to contend with. We have engineers and developers who earn a lot more money than graphic designers, community managers, or custom support employees. So according to statistics from cryptocurrencyjobs.com, it said working for firms in Canada or Europe seems to pay less than a job with Asian or American firms. So you want to take note of these concepts. To below are some examples of the average base salary in US dollar and dependent on region and all remote work for the blockchain job. So engineer makes between 80 to 700, 80,000 to $128,000. Software engineer will be making 90,000 to $119,000. UI UX 25 to $107,000. Customer support 40,000 to $77,000. We have a blockchain developer 73 to $136,000. Then we have Solidity developer 125,000 to $145,000. So you can see that for the ISP, the Solidity developer, followed by blockchain developer and engineers, usually ones at the lowest pay that usually for the customer support. So keep in mind these numbers are industry averages and may differ greatly depending on the company or project you're working on. Additionally, it's also crucial to understand employers may pay monies in different ways. This cryptocurrency world, receiving part or whole of your salary in crypto is usually an option. So those are some of the perks you want to know. So looking at what are crypto and blockchain companies looking for. So where is looking for a sales manager, product marketing manager, growth marketing manager. So these full-time jobs are all needed and more, guys. So CoinMarketCap has multiple job openings and more. So these are some of the perks you want to note. So guys, I hope you find this helpful. I'll be dropping the link in the description box. Keys. Stay tuned for more. Peace out, one love, and Keys.